Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mudassar. Actually, yesterday I recorded a video for you people on making a presentation with the help of artificial intelligence, and what happened when I recorded all the video, I forgot to share the screen. So I have to re-record this video for you people. So I am going to tell you that how easily and how quickly you can generate your presentations with the help of artificial intelligence, because nowadays presentations are made compulsory. That is, I don't think so is a good part. So everything has to be presented in a shorter, summarized and good way. So today I'm going to tell you how in few clicks using artificial intelligence you can make your presentation that even I have seen that even MBA students cannot make. So and professionals cannot make these videos. So with this help, you can generate very professional looking presentations, and then you can edit them according to your own requirements. So let's move on instead of wasting any time. Let me share my screen. Actually, what happened yesterday, I did not share my screen. So I have to re-record this all. So that's why I'm doing this now. So actually, I keep on recording. So here you go. I'm recording this now. You will open hide floating controls. Okay. So here you go. You will go to a website called, you will go to Chrome or whatever browser you have, and you will write Gamma presentation. Then it will take you to this website, that is gamma.app. You will click on a presentation slides deck with AI. Then what will happen? It will ask you to generate an account or log in with your account. So what you have to do is you have to use your Gmail ID to log in. So you will log in, and then you can take the help of this tool. And this, what is the best part of, you can make 10 slides at one time, and you can make any 10 slides in a day. This is not a bounding that you have to make only 10 slides in a day and you cannot regenerate. You can regenerate 10 slides again and again, but 10 slides at one time with free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to make a free account. That is, here it is. This is my free account. I'm using this free account. Okay. So you can use this as well as per your own. So what we do, let's make a presentation. Let's suppose I am always having a challenge to present presentations, and I am very bad at designing a presentation and even the design and look of the presentation. So this has been very helpful for me. So what you can do, what we can do, there is an option called create new AI. I'll click here. What will happen? It will give you three options. One is paste in text. Second is generate with AI. Third is import file or URL. You can copy paste your text. You can generate with AI from this point of time, and you can import your any any file, or you can import your URL website, Google Slides, whatever you have, and you can generate. But what is I am going to do is I am going to do make a presentation while using this artificial intelligence. So I'll click here. I'll use presentation. I will not make web page. You can build web pages. You can build documents as well. But what I'm going to do is build a presentation. So what I am going to do is write what is BUSA business intelligence and how it helps business. BUSINUS. So I have written only a single line. So let's see what happens. Generate outline. It will create you outline. These are called cards. Cards means single slide. So what you want? You want brief presentation, you want medium, you want detailed. I want detailed. And what you want? Automatic images to be embedded. You want web images. I want artificial intelligence images to be added. So by default, I'll keep with this flux fast option. So images are good enough. So continue, see what happens. I'll select a theme, whatever I like. So yesterday, actually, I loved this theme. So I'll go with this again. I have selected this theme. So I'll now click generate. See what happens. Presentation building is in process. See the color, the theme, the outlook, the layout, the images, the relevant images, not images only, relevant images. See how beautiful presentation with one click. You not even one click, only with one line. So let it be developed. I'll export it, save it, and work any I can do any work what I want on it later on by editing it. It gives you a editing version. So the presentation is done. I'll click here. I'll go to export. I'll export to PD PowerPoint. You can export to PDF, you PNG images only. Sorry, I wanted to export to PowerPoint. So let's see what happens now. I have clicked twice. So if it makes both, that's okay. If it makes one, you regenerate into PowerPoint. So it is exporting multiple files, download. Yes, it has been made both ones. So let's open first PDF one. So it is the PDF version. Sorry, my screen. I don't want this to be this one. What is happening? I don't want this. I want this. What is cancel? I want my screen back. Yes. Sorry for this. Okay, here it is. This is PDF version. See the image created. See the image. Okay, let's close this. We open the PowerPoint version. This is PowerPoint version. Now let's present it. Why I cannot present? It is saying that mic is with uh, review. Why I cannot view? Okay, slideshow. Yes, it is going into slideshow version. And here you go. Duplicate slide. Here it is. See now. What is business intelligence? This is by default my account name made with Gamma. This is all business intelligence. And this is a relevant image, artificial intelligence image developed automatically. Now go to second page. See, it has automatically converted into parts, the headings, the bullet points, the paragraphs, the images, this design, the background, the layout, everything is done with one click. I have to do nothing. See the level of help you can get from artificial intelligence. So I hope so you get an idea from this video. So let me stop my screen sharing. Stop my screen. I have stopped sharing my screen. So let's hope that this video is helpful for you people. And the Zoom thing is actually cutting my face as well. So it's okay. So keep on watching. Subscribe to my LinkedIn account that is not subscribing, that is following. Even there is a YouTube channel I have made where I post these videos as well. So for such Very easy tips and tricks that make your life easy. You can keep following me. Thank you so very much. See you with the next video. Allah Hafiz.